Hi, my name is Santosh Shrestha. I am a data science graduate. I just finished my Master of Data Science from University of Canberra. This is my video resume. I'd like to tell myself a fast learner. I believe in teamwork because the teamwork is the collection of the different kind of ideas to meet the company's goal. And I love to communicate with people. And I always want to do hard work to meet the company's goal. I studied Bachelor of Computer Science and Information Technology from Tribhuvan University, Nepal in 2019. And after that, I came to Australia to study Master of Data Science. And I just finished my Master of Data Science from University of Canberra by the end of 2021.
I love to explore data and try to find the meaningful information from them. I want to apply my technical and theoretical skills in real industry project. When I'm out of work, I love to listen music that makes me relaxed. I'm also a big fan of football. I love coding. I did my first job as a PHP developer during my bachelor's degree. During the year 2019, I was with my team successfully completed EMS Banking Management System project, which was in PHP programming language, and it was developed to computerize the banking operations using internet. Some of the projects that I did in my master are prediction of rainfall using the history of data, prediction of business sales of Ricardo's Cafe, which is the busy cafe in Macquarie, Canberra. And I also tried to explore COVID data during my degree.
Thank you so much for watching my resume. Hope you like it. If you think that I'm an eligible candidate for this position, please write me back. Thank you.